Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka number 34. The mind verily is, O Krishna, restless, turbulent, strong and unyielding. I deem it quite as difficult to control as the wind.
Chapter 6, Shloka 34. Chanchalam himana Krishna pramadi bhalavadridam tasyaham nigraham manye vayor iva sudushkaram.
Chapter 6, Shloka 34. Arjuna appreciates the logic and process of realization but has a doubt if the experience will last because of the restless nature of the mind, even if attained through equanimity and single pointedness, devotion in the contemplation of the self. In this shloka, he makes the doubt more clear to Krishna. From experience, Arjuna knows that since the mind is turbulent, strong and unyielding, hence difficult to still, the thoughts are not only fast and rough, but having reached the goal, they get so attached to the object that it becomes difficult to pull them back. The strength of the thoughts attaches the mind to the objects. They are unyielding if on their own accord they move forward in a new channel of their own choice. It is impossible to bring them back and persuade them to stop from the direction in which they are flowing to any chosen point of concentration. To support his argument, he gives the simile of as the wind. Arjuna is not in a mind to withdraw but wants more practical tips to get over the stormy nature of the unyielding, strong, turbulent and restless mind. He knows that only Krishna can scrape away the vasanas in his mind and remove the delusion. As the blood-stained hands of the dreamer get cleared on waking up from the dream, and there is no separate need to wash them, so too all the delusory agitation breeding vasanas get cleared on the rediscovery of the self embodied as Lord Krishna. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.